fish. We need to find where it goes. Can you help me match the shape? Great! So, how about here? I don't think that's right. Can you see the fish shape? Yes, you found it. Well done. So this is the fish, and we can use the fish cutter now. The fish is swimming. We will use Play-Doh. This is the color, green. We'll squeeze it to make it nice and flat. Maybe we should use something to help us. The roller will make the Play-Doh flat. That's right. We need to move it back and forward, just like this. This is gonna be a colorful fish. Okay, I think the Play-Doh is ready. We can make the fish now. We'll start with the outside piece first. We need to push it into the Play-Doh really well. This will make the fish shape. Let's give it a hard press. Now we can use the second piece of the cutter. Fish have fins on their sides and back. That helps them swim really fast. Shall we take a look at our new fish friend? Let's take the cutter off. I need to be gentle with this part. I don't want to ruin our fish. Yay, we did it, friends! We made a fish! Can you see its big tail? Yeah, here it is! Fish can swim really far. They can cross entire oceans. Amazing! Here's our next animal shape. Do you know who it is? It's a crab. We need to find the crab shape now. Is this it? No! This doesn't look right either. How about this one? Yes, this is the crab! Good job, everyone! We completed the crab cutter. Now let's pick a color for our crab. This little guy looks so happy. Let's put him over here for now. Well, I think we should use red for the crab. It'll be the perfect color. Can you think of anything that's red? Shout out nice and loud. A red apple? Yes! Well done! Can you think of anything else? A big red fire truck? Great! Wow, you're so good at this. Okay, the red Play-Doh is ready. And now we can use the crab cutter. We need to press it into the Play-Doh. This will give us the crab shape. Now let's push the second cutter into it. This is so exciting. By the way, crabs walk sideways. Can you walk like a crab? I think we're done here. Let's remove the cutter. Did you know that crabs have 10 legs? Also, they can live in the oceans and on land. Say hello to our crab. Crabs have 2 big claws at the front. Snap, snap! They use them to find tasty food. Yummy! Look, everyone. This is our next animal. This is called a shark. Can you help me find the shark cutter? You think it's this one over here? Wow, you found it really fast. That was amazing. I'm so proud of you. What color should we use to make our shark? Let me think. There's so many colors to choose from. Let's use white Play-Doh. We'll need to squeeze it. And now we can use the roller to flatten it. Sharks are some of the oldest animals in the world. The first sharks lived at the same time as the dinosaurs. Wow, that's really old. But let's make our shark now. This is the first piece that we'll use. Let's push it into the Play-Doh, like this. So, sharks live in oceans all over the world. They have really good eyesight. They can see in the dark. They also have a great sense of smell. Let's have a look at our shark. Here goes. Wow, it looks great. Can you see its happy smile? Sharks have lots of teeth in their mouth. I wonder how long it takes to brush their teeth. Anyway, let's take it out of the cutter. And this is a white shark we made, friends. Great job! Here's one more fact for you. There are over 500 types of sharks. Wow, that's a big number. This is our next cutter. It's a dolphin! I wonder where it goes. Let's find that out. How about this shape? No, that's not it. Can you help me, friends? Yeah, you did it! We found the dolphin cutter. Well done, everyone. Let's make a dolphin now. First, we need to pick a color. Let's put our cutter aside while we're at it. I know what color to use to make our dolphin. We can use pink. It's a nice and bright color. Okay, now we'll use the roller. Let's roll it out together. Roll, roll, roll. Whew, I'm glad you're helping me, friends. Dolphins are very playful animals. They love to have fun, just like we do. They swim in groups called pods. Okay, we can use the cutter now. We need to make the outline of the dolphin first. Let's push it in. We need to push down hard. That should do. Now, we're ready for the rest of the dolphin cutter. We need to push it down as well. This will give our dolphin a nice, happy face. Now, let's take it out. And get rid of the rest of the Play-Doh. We can use it later. Let's take our dolphin out of the cutter. Look, friends! We made a pink dolphin. Yes! I think it wants to go swimming. Dolphins can swim very fast, and they like to jump out of the water. This is our next animal. It looks just like a star. That's why it's called a starfish. Let's find the star-shaped cutter. Yay! We did it from the first try! Well done, friends. You are so smart. Now we can make our starfish. Let's put it down on the table for now. We'll use yellow Play-Doh this time. Can you think of anything that's yellow? How about a yellow fruit? A banana. Yes, well done. That was such a good answer. You did great. I'll use the roller to flatten the Play-Doh. We're doing that a lot today. Can you count the points on our starfish cutter? Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The starfish has 5 points. Now, we can use this part of the cutter. Oh, and starfish aren't really fish. They belong to a family that has sea cucumbers and urchins in it. Starfish live all over the world. You can even find them in rock pools. Well, I think this is ready, everyone. Look at this! We made a starfish! This might be my favorite so far. Starfish use their arms to crawl over the sea floor. Cool! Friends, this is our last animal. Do you know what it is? Yes, it's called a whale. Well done. We only have one cutter left. That means the whale goes in here. Good job. It's time to make our whale. I have a special color for this animal. We can use some orange Play-Doh. Whales are the largest animals in the world. The biggest whale is called the blue whale. They can be as big as 3 school buses. Wow, isn't it amazing? Alrighty, I think that should do it. Now we can use the cutter. Let's start with the outside piece first. Let me just grab it. Whales like to talk to their friends when they swim. And their voices can be heard for hundreds of miles underwater. Wow, that's really loud. Now, let's push this piece into the Play-Doh. Can you help me? Yeah! Ooh, thanks, friends. Shall we have a look? Wow, amazing. It looks so real. Now, we'll lift it out of the Play-Doh, like this. Hey, I remembered. Even though they swim underwater, whales breathe air. They use a blowhole at the top of their head to breathe. This is our whale. Look, it's spurting water from its blowhole. Even though they're big, whales can swim very fast and sort of gracious. We made all the underwater animals. This is the white shark. We'll put it over here. We also made a red dolphin. It looks like it's having a lot of fun. I like the dolphin. The next animal is a yellow starfish. It looks looks so cute. I'll put it next to the dolphin. We also have a green fish. It's so bright. Oh, look, it's swimming, friends. Let's put it down here. Do you remember what this is called? That's right, it's a crab. We made this crab using red Play-Doh. And the last animal was a whale. It's made from orange Play-Doh. And I think it wants to swim with his underwater friends. Wow, we made a lot of animals. How many can you see? Let's count them all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Great! See you soon!